dear viewers, I'm Olena, and today I want to show you one of the easiest liquid acrylic painting techniques taught by many masters, including on YouTube channels. This liquid art technique is called flip cup pouring. This is a very simple technique. My grandson loves this painting technique. I used a deco art pouring medium or solvent and a set of paints from the same company. If a company creates paints, it always creates a solvent. It is usually a good combination that considers the properties of the paint and solvent. If you are a beginner, try to use paints and solvents from the same company with a gradual expansion of your range. Otherwise, you may not have the expected effect. I used a simple proportion, 1 part liquid acrylic paint and 2 parts of solvent. It is necessary to stir the paint with the solvent well, but not too intensively to prevent bubbles from forming. I also used a spray of silicone, 1 push in each container with paint. One can use 1-2 drops of liquid silicone instead, and the more you stir the paint and silicone, the finer the cells in your painting will be. The solvent paint solution should be as thick as the liquid sour cream. If the solution is thick, a small amount of distilled water can be added. If the paint solution is too thin, it will spread quickly and the desired contrast will not be obtained. Now I will create my cup. I like to use a clear cup so that I can see the layers of paint. Carefully pour small amounts of paint into the cup in the desired order. Some paints may be thicker than others. This affects the cell formation. The paints were carefully mixed, and the contents of the cup should be carefully flipped onto the canvas, turning the cup over. I do not recommend the quick removal of the cup. It is important that the paints are spread on the canvas. Slow movements of the canvas with inclinations in different directions will help distribute the layer of paint evenly, covering the entire surface of the canvas. To obtain cells, many masters recommend using a heat. It can be a portable torch, it can be a hairdryer. Try not to direct the hot jet of air at the right angle, as this can damage both the paint and canvas. As you can see, the cells have already begun to appear. You can use the remaining paint and correct areas of the canvas that you do not like. For example, one corner on the canvas has lost contrast, so I will add a few drops of paint there. When liquid acrylic is used, the hardest part is to stop in time. Occasionally, the desired effect occurs quickly. Sometimes it is completely different from what we expected. The most important thing is to understand and accept creativity in a positive manner. That's it, the kind of painting we get. When the paint dries, films of acrylic, which we call skin, can be obtained. These pieces of acrylic skin can be used to make jewelry, particularly the pendants and earrings. Often takes a few days to a week for painting to dry. If you varnish the painting sooner, it may peel off and crack. Cell formation can also continue during paint drying. If you like this video, do not forget to give it a like. Subscribe to my video channel and stay tuned for more videos. Have a good day!